They just got announced actually last night that the gyms will be closing. Okay, what's the time now?
10:07.
Hey, I'm here with KK, aka Taylor, because the last day of gym, I'm gonna make the most of it. She crazy.
The gym's actually not that busy.
But if you want the equipment, just call. We're doing some full body stuff at the moment. Last day of the gym, gonna hit it hard. Let's go, KK. She's warming up with my max.
You took all the plates!
Oh, I'm sorry. Look, it's the last day of the gym, you know? You gotta hoard. People be hoarding toilet paper, I'll be hoarding gym weight. Cure corona.
Oh my god!
This is it.
It actually will, because you won't touch your face.
Okay, you've had enough chalk, okay? She ready. I guess you guys get to see me as well. Hey? So.
We are reaching for the stars, but we're making this too hard. And I wonder where you are, mysterious.
You got this. Come on.
I need your belt.
Yes, that's the part you always show. You're too curious.
I hope it'll help. I haven't been lifting this weight for a while. Like, I haven't programmed for a while, so you know, if I get it, I get it. But
Well, today's last day for a while, so.
This is how you know she's going heavy. She starts to get nervous and you feel it, you know? And that's true.
Feel it.
You feel it.
Starts to like bash you and get mad. And you feel it.
That's when you know it's a big weight. 120, she's never done 120 in your life. Just think of it this way. You are gonna fucking get it. You got no option. Now you are because it's your last day of the gym. Oh, it's your last day of the gym. You're gonna live with regret if you don't get this.
Get ready. Touch my floor.
She's got this. She is strong. Super strong.
We are dreaming in the dark. We are nothing more than dust.
The last day of the gym and she gets a PV. That's insane. That's actually insane. That's motivated me.
You fail sometimes, guys. Sometimes he can't lift it, can you, Kwame? He is human up. Right up. You've got this. Up. How far in? So it's 10:30. We are 25 minutes into our training. He's going to re-chalk up. That belt on nice and tight. Keep that focus.
I thought I had it. I gave my everything. 3 tries in under 5 minutes. Feel a little bit disappointed about that. That's life, you know.
I think that chalk wasn't strong enough for you.
I wasn't strong enough for the chalk. Disappointing. But look, life goes on. This is a lesson for you guys, okay? When you fail in times like this, like the last day of the gym, doesn't mean you have to give up.
Good effort. Every time you got that little bit further.
Yeah.
That's some strength right there. Yeah, but you still got it up.
Look, you don't have to be nice. Just be savage as fuck. But look, on the plus side, positive side, 120 kilo, baby.
Chalk it up.
I wouldn't call that a get because I reckon I didn't lock it out properly.
That was
I'm
good.
happy with that.
That was
I'm happy with that.
good. See, so what's a life lesson here? When you fail, get back up and keep going.
Alright, so we smiked some deadlifts. It was crazy. Went up too heavy. Can't hit the PB as you guys saw before. I went for 290. I failed and I got it up to the highest I could. So I never gave up, which was awesome. And then we did some pyramid as well. So going up with increments of 1 all the way up to 10 and down. Now we're hitting some upper body, we're hitting some back. We're going to be supersetting a lat pull down with a bit of a twist in there with our bench press or chest press machine.
No, there ain't no stopping us. Fly without boarding pass. Couldn't catch me, I be moving fast. Call me a shooting star. Let 'em know who you are. Flying up in a bar. Wish on a star. Time to show 'em who's in charge.
We're going to be supersetting some shoulder presses, standing, so we're going to shoulder press our core with some lateral raises. We are going to be doing 20 reps a week. So it's going to be a crazy burn, it's going to be savage. Let's get this.
Here we go.
Shooting stars. Didn't even get to cross.
Right there, I can feel my delts and they are feeling good. Last day of the gym for 2020. If this doesn't go on, we're going strong, man. We're going strong. She upset because I didn't get her booty pose. Alright, work it.
We are done. How long have we? 72 minutes.
Oh, we smashed quite a bit today. Some big compound deadlifts, some volume, some back and chest.
Did a whole bit of everything, didn't we?
Exactly, we did crazy.
Back, shoulders, chest, legs.
It was time to isolate ourselves, go in lockdown. We're gonna go crazy. Let's stay tuned, guys. There's more coming. We'll stay in the end. We've got you. No better way to end it than use a stepper. Yeah, I'm sweating. It's crazy, you know. These are times that you learn to appreciate the gym a little bit more. How you feel after your last session tonight? Good.
We killed it.
We killed it.
Absolutely killed it.
So after a great workout, nothing better than having some good food. Damn. You know what's good? Oh, look at this goodness. Oh my god.
Look at those goodness.
Oh, whoa. Look, she's already started eating without me.
We are dreaming in the dark.